Hello everyone and welcome to our website MechMaster. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our project, showcasing the Builder Pattern Design, a versatile and powerful tool in software development. Our system, a PC Builder, allows user to customize their own PC or computer by selecting components like the processor, graphics card, RAM, and storage. The system then provides a final price and configuration based on user choices. So why the builder pattern? The builder pattern was chosen for its ability to construct complex objects step by step. In our case, the product being built is customized PC. The pattern allows us to separate construction from representation. The builder class handles the construction process, while the director class creates the steps. Create different configurations. We can define different builder implementation to create various PC configurations. Encapsulate the construction process. The builder pattern hides the complexity of building a PC, make it easier to use and to maintain. In human-computer interaction, also known as HCI, principles applied by its consistency. The system maintains a consistent layout and design throughout the user interface. Efficiency, the intuitive design and clear navigation minimize user effort. Learnability, the system is easy to understand and use even for users with limited technical knowledge. For error prevention, the system provides clear feedback and error messages to guide users. And although the aesthetics, the visual design is clean, modern, and visually appealing. By adhering to this HCI principle, we aim to provide a user-friendly and efficient PC building experience. In this navigation bar or our branding. The navigation bar located at the top of the page provide easy access to key section of the website. It consists of the following elements. Here it has home button. This button serves as the primary entry point, linking to homepage. In the service button, clicking this button direct user to a page detailing the service offered by the website branding. In our logo, the MechMaster logo prominently displayed act as a visual identifier for the brand. It likely represents the company's identity and values. The phrase "build your own PC" is prominently placed, clearly conveying the core purpose of the website. It immediately grabbed the user attention and set expectations for the content.
On the build page, clicking the Buy Now button will directly take you to the shopping cart. For example, if you click on the AOC IPS monitor, you will see it in your shopping cart. On the About page, you can find our pictures, names, and our respective roles in the group. Our website's mission is also detailed on this page.
In the shopping cart, you will see the AOC IPS monitor just added earlier. Clicking checkout will take you directly to the checkout page. Then, if you click continue shopping, you will be redirected to the build page where you can select more PC parts. On the checkout page, you will see the list of the PC parts you just ordered and their total cost. And you will also need to provide shipping information including your name, address, email, and credit card number. Once you click complete purchase, your order will be processed.